Have you ever wished your Trello tasks and Outlook calendar events could live in the same place? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Trello with your Outlook calendar so you can manage your schedule effortlessly. Whether it's for work projects or personal tasks, this integration keeps everything organized and easy to access. First, log into your Trello account at Trello.com. You can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or just your email, whatever works best for you. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to sync. Next, activate the calendar view. Click the view switcher in the top left corner of your board. It looks like a small chevron, and select calendar. This will display all your cards with due dates in a clear calendar layout. Now, to sync with Outlook, look at the top right corner for the Sync to Personal Calendar option. Initially, the URL will be disabled. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Enable. This generates the URL you'll need for Outlook. Copy it. With the URL copied, open Outlook and add a new internet calendar subscription. Paste the Trello URL, and just like that, your Trello cards are now visible alongside your Outlook events. From this point on, all your tasks and meetings are consolidated in one place. No more switching between apps, no more missed deadlines. Everything is streamlined, keeping you organized and on top of your schedule. Syncing Trello with Outlook is that simple, and it can completely transform how you plan your day. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.